All right, Ryker here again. Here we're bringing you the news from the Sling Mod, the forward and aluminum reverse shifter level, so it can make it a little bit longer than the factory one. So we're gonna go ahead and do this installation. So first things first is removing the old one. And let me see how I can make it. Gotta fake it to make it. Let's do it like that. Here we go, that works. So I gotta find a T30, which is a star tip. Nope. Nope. Perfect. Alrighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right, fellas? Alrighty. She is removed.